Hey guys, so this video is generally for the United States based EOBOT users. If you are already using it or if you want to use the EOBOT from United States, then this video is for you. So recently there is a new restriction to in EOBOT if you use it from United States. So let's first see what that restriction is. If you go to the news, you see this. The latest news says, unfortunately, we have had to remove new sales of GHS cloud mining for USA-based customers. This is a result of outside circumstances, and there is no plan to add it back in the near future. Your existing GHS will continue functioning like normal. So what does this mean is if you want to use it from after December 19, then you cannot add any mining power to the EOBOT. But if you had created the EOBOT account before December 19 and you built some GHS mining power, then that will function normally, but you cannot add more. Even you cannot even purchase the mining power. So for United States based user, the EOBOT now is just a faucet where you can claim daily faucet and free coins. But this is not what the EOBOT is meant to be. The EOBOT is originally was originally designed for mining different coins, and even this mining power you can get it for free in EOBOT. Uh, and of course, if you want to invest, you can do that as well. But after December 19, for US based customers, it's completely disabled. So what to do now to get access to the full features or to get the mining power in EOBOT? You need to do is create an account in EOBOT using VPN. So for the VPN, I use this Windscribe. So if you Google Windscribe, this is a very good VPN and I like it. So you just go on there and download it. I'll share the download link in the description. And based on what operating system you have, you can download this Windscribe and follow the easy installation process. And once you get it installed, you will see this window here. What it allows you is you can create a virtual IP. And for example, if I choose France, it will create the IP address of France. And so it will treat EOBOT that you are creating account from France, not from the United States. If you create an account from United States, then this you cannot increase this cloud mining. It will be always zero. So there is no use of using EOBOT. So whenever you create an account, just create an account in EOBOT using the VPN. And once you turn on this, set it to the on, and then sign up for the EOBOT. So once your VPN is on, and then you just fill up this form and then just sign up and then activate your EOBOT account using the email. That's all you need to do. Then you can forget about this VPN. The only thing that you will be interested in is using the EOBOT. All full features will be activated. There will be no restriction even if you use it from United States without VPN. So only trick is create the EOBOT account using VPN. If you don't use VPN, then you cannot mine using the EOBOT. So I will show you an example which I created using VPN. So this is my email which I created using VPN, and my password. Login. So see, now I have the complete feature of the EOBOT. I can mine and I can go to this GHS4. So if you are already existing user, you cannot add the cloud mining power in or speed in your existing account, you need to create new one. And if you are a new user or are interested in creating an account in EOBOT and on free cryptocurrencies, then this is the way. Um, you just use the VPN. So for the new users, you always every day you want to do is click on this GSS4 and then go to the faucet. So this is where you want to click on every day. So you click on the faucet and then you will have uh, some text appearing here. You just enter that text and then click on get faucet reward. I have already done for today, so I cannot show you that now, but it's easy. And then once you click on this product, click on faucet and get the cloud mining speed, it will start increasing. And so this in EOBOT, you can even mine this cloud mining speed, or you can mine any of these coins if you have certain cloud mining speed which should be greater than zero. For example, I have around 110 GHS now, and if I go to, let's mine Ripple. So if I click on this XRP, the page will be refreshed, and now you see it has started mining Ripple, and the price is increasing because my Ripple, the quantity of Ripple is increasing, and this is how it works. So now the question is how to increase this cloud mining. There are various faucets which will give you the free mm, coins, which you can convert that coin to this cloud mining by clicking on exchange. When you click on exchange, and if you have any coins here, I generally do that with the Doge coin. So let's say this Doge, and then you can rent for up to 5 year this cloud SH8256, and this will mine whatever any one of this coin. It's up to you which coin you want to mine. So you click on this and then click on buy. Okay, so once it's purchased, it goes to the history page. You go back to the account, and you will notice that your cloud mining has increased by that particular amount. And there are many faucets, but in this video I would like to discuss about one very good faucet, which is this coin pot. You can find the link to this coin pot in the description, and also a link for signing up into the EOBOT account into the description. So this VPN is on this. You will use this VPN only to create your EOBOT account. Once you create that, just forget about that VPN. So please use the link in my description to create an account in the CoinPod. Once you register in the CoinPod, then there are 6 faucets which will directly deposit your free coins to this CoinPod, and you can earn a lot using these faucets. So the first one is Bitfun. Let's see that Bitfun. So I'll share all the links in my description. So what you need to do is you need to sign in and then give your email address and enter your password. So this is directly linked with this CoinPot account. So this Satoshi will be converted to the Bitcoin in the CoinPot. So if you click on claim now, so it has various ads. So click on the claim now again. You need to prove that you are human and then claim. So it says faucet claim successful. So my claim Bitcoin has been increased. So it was 346. Now if I refresh it, it is 396. So 0.000050 BTC has been added. So this is very good faucet. You can just do 2-3 times per day. You can do it from your phone as well. So whenever you find time, just collect bitcoins from here. The second one is bonus bitcoin. So let's go to bonus bitcoin now. So I'll share the link for registering this as well. If you are new, you need to click on the register. But once you are registered, then just sign in. So it also works very similar to the Bitfarm, and we'll do the same thing. Sign in, and then it will take some time to load. And also, whatever claim you make here will be directly deposited in your CoinBot. So it's basically the same. You do the exactly the same thing. You just click on claim now and prove that you're human, and it will be deposited in the CoinBot. The third one is Moon Bitcoin, which is here. Again, the link will be in this description section, and you just click on claim now. Okay. So and again you prove you are human, and your Bitcoin will be stored in this coin bot. And then the fourth one is Moondolls coin. Just click on this, and you use this email address which you used to create the CoinBot account, and click on sign in. You need to first register, and for registration just use my links, and then click on submit. And here whatever Dogecoin you claim, that will be that you will get in this Dogecoin. And then the fourth and fifth one is Litecoin. So they basically work, using this is somewhat identical, and this is the Litosi, which will be converted to the Litecoin here. And then the last one is the Moondas. So it's again the same, just sign in using the CoinBot email address. And what oh I need to prove I'm human. Okay. Statues. Right. Sign in. And whatever claim that you make here will directly go to the CoinBot. And then what I do is, when I collect everything, I just convert all of them to the Dogecoin. Why I do this is, transferring Dogecoin is pretty fast from this CoinBot to EOBOT account. So let's convert this. So what you do is, you just click on there and convert Bitcoin pool to Dogecoin. It will show you the conversion rate. Let's convert all that I have. Oh, what we do, Doge. So it will be 6 point something. I need to enter my password again. Convert, confirm, close. So what happened now is, all my Bitcoin is converted to the Dogecoin. So what I do is, I convert all the Dash to the Dogecoin, Litecoin to the Dogecoin, and whenever it's greater than 50, then I transfer that Dogecoin to the EOBOT. The minimum amount of Dogecoin that can be transferred is 50, so you have to wait until it gets 50. And once you transfer it here, you just exchange it to this cloud mining speed, and in this way you go on increasing the cloud mining. So today we discussed two ways of increasing this cloud mining speed. One is claiming the faucet daily from here, and the second one is whatever free coin you get from this coin pot, just transfer that to the EOBOT account and convert it into the cloud mining. And to transfer the Dogecoin from CoinPod to EOBOT account, you need to click on the deposit. And I have already generated the DOS address, so you will click on this generate. And if you have not done it earlier, then you have to click on this generate here. Once you click on the generate, your DOS address will be created, and you copy this DOS address, go to the coin pot and click on withdraw, and then paste it here. And so you can, and you need to enter your password again, and then just prove you're human and click on withdraw. And this will, whatever Dogecoin is here, it should be greater than 50, will be, so it says minimum withdrawal amount is $50, so it will be transferred to the EOBOT and then converted to the cloud mining and enjoy free mining. You can invest in here as well, by transferring Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, or any of this going here, and then convert. You can convert any coin to the cloud mining. This is very good platform. And if you don't want to invest, the minimum investment amount required is $10. If you don't want to invest, you just use the free mining power of this EOBOT and earn the free alternate coins. For example, I always mine Ripple, and I have already mined around 19.16 Ripple, which is value now is 58. This Ripple is increasing rapidly. I see a very good future of this Ripple, but I'm not sure, but I think this will pay off very well in near future. Alright guys, if you like this video, just click on like and click on, don't forget to subscribe for new videos. I will also discuss about the more free coins that you can get in my next video, and I'll also share my experiences with other mining softwares and websites in coming videos. So don't forget to click on subscribe. Thank you.